Hey there, YouTube. I'm going to show you something interesting on my New Brunswick trip here today. Check out this. This is a federal signal siren owned by the New Brunswick Power Services in Grand Falls. They have a hydroelectric dam here, and this is what they use for alerting people. I know exactly what this is, but if any of you guys can actually help me, that would be really helpful, because I forget exactly what type it is. It's got a red light up there that would go off before the sign. I think it goes off before the siren does. The sign says right there. It's the closure right here. I thought it was two systems, it's actually just one. There's the beautiful gorge down there. Anyways, here you go. Little gem.